Hi, my name's Isaac. Thanks for watching Grace River Farms. Today I'm going to be tearing into the 3155. It's got a overheating problem last fall. I didn't use it all winter and finally got it in the shop. Gonna pull injectors out of it and see if I can check the compression on each cylinder to see if it tells me, get a better idea of what the engine's like. The engine was running good. It was just getting warm. It never got hot, but it was running a lot hotter than it usually does. So I'm gonna check the compression, see if there's a head gasket blowed, or check the thermostats and the water pump. When I first got the tractor, I think I first bought it in '08. The dealership delivered it out here and picked up the tractor that I traded in. First time I got ready to use this one, it instantly, once the engine got up to temp, it overheated. Started to overheat. I never did let it get hot, you know, kept a better eye on it than that. But I checked things, replaced the thermostats. It had a fan clutch in it, and I changed it out to the mechanical fan where it was just bolted up, did away with the fan clutch. But ended up, I took the water pump off of it, and the impeller on it was plastic, and the center hub had busted out of it, so it was just spinning the shaft and not spinning the impeller. The new water pump that I had put in it was all made out of metal, brass, something, and the water pump may be the issue again. I'm not sure, but I'm going to at least check the compression in this engine and see what kind of life it has, and whether I need to tear it down and rebuild it or not. I'm going to get started. I'm going to start by pulling this exhaust manifold off where I can get to all the injectors. I hope I don't break these bolts. Hope they all come out. Sometimes it don't work that way. Sprayed on that troll oil.
Yeah.
That stuff went way down deep in there.
Now,
Got it back now. The battery went dead. We've got our compression tool in there now. Got my Uncle Eddie, he's gonna turn the tractor over, see what we can read.
Ready?
Is it out of gear?
Yeah.
Go ahead. Go ahead. It ought to swing over better than that without no compression.
Line up there, I ain't getting out.
No. Nope.
I knew something was holding.
Now.
Yeah, Daniel got back there at the pond. Got stuck the other day. He pulled him out.
Really?
Yep. It's all yours.
Oh man. Now. Yeah.
Huh?
Hit me. Powerful as an impact. Well. Yeah, it still looks good, thank goodness. So.
What?
Well, that's going to do it for today. I've got the 3155 tore apart. Did a compression check. All the cylinders are equal. They look good. Took the water pump off. It looks good. The radiator and the condenser and the hydraulic cooler are all nasty as all get out. But I'll get the radiator and the oil cooler outside tomorrow and washed out and fins straightened up on it, and then I'll straighten the fins up on this condenser, air conditioner condenser. Let air go through it real good, but the bottom part of that radiator is horribly stopped up. You can't get no airflow through it, and I'll wash it out real good. There's even a dirt dauber nest right there. But if that's not the cooling problem, I don't know what is. I'll put a new set of injectors in it and get some gaskets and filters and change all the fluids in it. And hopefully it'll be ready to go for hay season. Maybe I can get it together in a couple of weeks. That'll do it for today. Thanks for watching Grace River Farms.